Good morning, students. Welcome to my English class once again. Now, today in this video, we will read a very interesting story from your MCB, that is chapter number 10, A Gift of Love. This story has been adapted from Munshi Premchand's Eidgah. Guys, Munshi Premchand was an Indian writer. He is best known for his novels Godan, Gaban, and Karm Bhumi. His works often depict the problems of the poor and throw lights on the social issues of his time, such as poverty, corruption, and India's freedom movement. Guys, Premchand is widely regarded as Upanyas Samrat, which means emperor among novelists. So, let's enjoy this story, A Gift of Love. Guys, this is the story that has been taken from Eidgah, as I told you earlier. Guys, Eidgah is a beautiful story and which summarizes the emotions connected with the festivity of Eid. This story depicts love, sacrifice, and kindness associated with this festival. In this story, there was a boy. His name was Hamid. He was 4-year-old and he was a poor boy who lost his parents when he was an infant. And he started living with his grandmother, Amina. His grandmother made an earning by carrying out needlework for others and also took care of daily chores. His grandmother always tried to keep him happy and cheerful by telling him that his parents would soon return from the house of Allah with lots of sweets, money, and gift for him. On the day of Eid, when every children had new clothes or shoes, Hamid had none. He had only 6 paise as Eidi to enjoy the fair. All his friends spent their money on buying candles and colorful clay toys and enjoying rides. But Hamid considered them as wastes of money and went to a hardware shop to buy a pair of tongs. He was worried for his grandmother, who often burned her hand while making rotis over the fire. Hamid returns home and gives his grandmother the tongs. His grandmother is upset that he did not spend the money in the fair for his own enjoyment and instead bought a pair of tongs of her. He reminds his grandmother about the pain she has to undergo while preparing rotis. His grandmother burst into tears on hearing this and blesses him for this unselfish act. So guys, this is the story which depicts love, sacrifice, and kindness associated with this festival of Eid. And I hope that this is clear to you all.